Welcome to day 2 of the bus build. Yesterday we were able to remove all of the seats. As you can see, everything's out. The only thing that remains are the 2 heaters. We're probably going to remove those as well. Today we are going to tackle the ceiling. Now, I've watched a ton of YouTube videos and everybody drills out the rivets and then either knocks them off with a chisel or a grinder. Well, I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I know a lot of you guys probably didn't have these tools when you did your bus, but I'm gonna try this guy. This is an oscillating tool. So it kind of has this blade on the end of it. Don't worry about that blade, I got new ones. And then I did get these guys here, a little pricey, but the Milwaukee metal blades. So I'm gonna try and use the oscillating tool and basically, where are we? Put it kind of up here and knock off the rivets with it. So we will see if that works. If it does, I think this is probably one of the newer ways or easiest ways that you can remove the ceiling of your bus. So I definitely want to get started on this. So I'm going to get changed and today we're going to remove the ceiling. All right, so a little bit of an update here. The $50 titanium blades for the oscillating tool didn't work. So that is a no-go. The cutoff wheel just makes a big mess. So you can see that there. So the cutoff wheel is not gonna do it. So basically what we are doing is we are going with the old-fashioned hammer and chisel method. Now, I wrecked a bunch of wood chisels. This is what happens to them. Can you focus on there? Yeah, there you go. That's what happens to a wood chisel. So what you need to get yourself are these guys here, and they're called cold chisels. So this is my method of removal, is to use the wood chisel to kind of get right underneath it and pry the head, and then use the cold chisel to finish off the job. It's about 10 seconds per head. I was kind of looking for the speediest method to get this done, and this seems to be what works best. Okay, well, I think somebody counted these once and there was over 200 of them, so we best get to chiseling now.